The fourth and final day of the Vodafone Rally to Portugal, and it had been another landmark moment for Volkswagen's all-conquering Frenchman Sébastien Ogier, the world champion achieving the 19th victory of his career and fourth in Portugal in the last 5 years. The event had been one of mixed fortunes for the Hyundai team. 3 stage wins over the course of the weekend, but a late retirement for Dani Sordo and a broken drive shaft for Thierry Neuville, resulting in this spin on the final stage, saw the Belgians slip to 7th. With 2 drivers in the top 8 though, there were positives to take away from Portugal. As there were for Mikko Hirvonen. The Finn has cut a forlorn figure at times in 2014 since his return to the M Sport squad, but the 33-year-old has shown rally-winning pace again in the Algarve, and his remarkable Portuguese record continues. The Finn has only finished outside the top 5 once in 7 visits, and that was due to a technical infringement after winning the event in 2012.
3rd place.
Park alongside the Algarve Stadium though, and it's another podium finish for Mads Osberg and the Citroën Total team. 2nd place for Mikko Hirvonen, but the main plaudits once again belong to the rally winner Sébastien Ogier and his co-driver Julien Ingrassia as the celebrations began on the Finnish podium. The taste of champagne now becoming very familiar indeed as they score the 19th victory of their career. Another clean sweep of rally and power stage wins for Ogier sees him take a lead of 29 points over his teammate Jari-Matti. Mads Osberg remains 3rd after another podium finish.